Hello, 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 and welcome to Shopping with Cheryl. I'm Cheryl, and today I'm going to do I would say unboxing, but it's unbagging because it came in a bag. The box that came in with some other items is huge. Anywho, let's get on. I'm going to have an affiliate link for this down in the description below. If you use that affiliate link and you buy anything, I may make a small commission. That's out of the way. All right, so Active Pets sent me a jog bowl. I haven't opened it yet. I took it out of the box, but we're going to look at it right now. So I got the small one. They come in different sizes, different colors. So I'm going to bring that right up to you. All right, let me see. Okay. In the back, that's a nice little bag too. A Ziploc. All right, we have the Welcome to Active Pets family. It tells you non-spill, skid resistant, dishwasher safe, food grade silicone. There. And a nice little, I don't know what's in the envelope. Ooh, that's a surprise. You'll see when you get yours. Anyway, here we go. Like they said, this is silicone, so it's soft, it's movable, it's bendable. It's got the little edge on it. And this is the 6.5 ounce bowls, I believe. They do come in bigger bowls. They also come in other colors. They've got the bigger bowls, like for dogs. The colors are pink, blue, black, teal, and gray. I think. Should be. You can click over and check on it. So these are stainless steel little bowls. And they are super cute. Let's take the bowls out and look at this. Yeah, this isn't going to slide around. It also has a nice little lip. If you've got one of those kind of messy eaters that they get it stuck on their chin hairs, whatever, and then they're dribbling their food all over, this might be the perfect answer for you. And like I said, they got different sizes. This would be more of a kitty size. And I wanted to show it to you because I just got it. It does have the silicone has kind of a silicone smell. I suspect that once you wash it, that would be gone. Lots of times with these things, it just takes a little bit of air and maybe a good run through the dishwasher. And it does say dishwasher safe. So there you go. Kind of cool. You got to see it first as far as my channel goes because I wanted to do an unboxing with you. So like I said, there's an affiliate link down below. There's also a link to my Amazon Live. You can check me out over there where I show all kinds of cool products. And be sure to subscribe here because I have tons more coming. In fact, if you looked around, you would say you got way too much. So go ahead, check out the Active Pets dog bowl set, stainless steel, silicone, skid safe, skid resistant, dishwasher safe, food grade stainless steel.